Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open a trunk using a car key fob, and this will be a super easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a car key fob, and this is my car key fob for one of my vehicles, not the vehicle that I'm in right now, but my other vehicle. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to use something like this to open the trunk. Okay, it's very, very simple. What you want to do is you want to look on the car key fob and you want to look for a trunk opening symbol. Okay, it might look slightly different depending on your vehicle, but you want to look for something that looks like it's a trunk opening. In the case of this car key fob over here, it's right over here. You can see this one over here looks like a trunk opening. I'm going to try and get it into like really focused area. Right there, that it looks like a trunk opening. So what you want to do is essentially, and I'll go over some of the specific details, but you basically want to go on that button and then just press and hold it down. And when you press and hold it down, it should open the trunk of the vehicle. So basically, I'm going to put my thumb on that trunk opening button over here. And if I wanted to open the trunk, I would press and hold it down for just a couple seconds, and it should open up the trunk of the vehicle. Now, as far as I know, with the vehicles that I've used, the vehicles that I've driven, the vehicles that I've seen, as far as I know, you can just press and hold that button down and the trunk should open, whether the vehicle is locked or unlocked. But I can't speak for every vehicle ever, so there could be a chance that your vehicle, you might need to unlock the vehicle first, unlock the doors of the vehicle, then press and hold down the trunk button to open up the trunk, right? So there's a chance that you might need to, press the unlock button, a couple times to unlock the doors, and then press and hold down the trunk button to open the trunk. Depends on your vehicle, right? So, like I said, as far as I know, you can just simply, let me get into focus. As far as I know, you can just simply press and hold down the trunk opening button, and that should open the trunk. But there's a chance that for your vehicle, you might need to press the unlock button a couple times to unlock the doors, and then you have to, once the doors are unlocked, press and hold down the trunk opening button in order to open up the trunk. But that's basically it. Essentially, it's just a matter of holding down that button for a couple seconds, or unlocking the doors first maybe, and then holding down that trunk opening button for a couple seconds. And your trunk should open up. Now, certain trunks are going to be automatic, where they're going to open up all the way. Other trunks maybe are just going to open up like where they unlock and they pop open a little bit, and you got to open it up manually. I'm not sure how your car works. You gotta look into that. But make sure if you're not comfortable with it, and you're not certain with it, basically in any case, to be honest with you, you should go and look up a specific tutorial for your specific vehicle to see how it works, okay? Or you should be looking at the owner's manual or the user's manual for your vehicle to see how it works. And when I say see how it works, I mean, the trunk opening system. So essentially, for your specific vehicle, okay, you should be watching a tutorial for your specific vehicle, okay? Or reading a tutorial for your specific vehicle, or looking at the owner's manual or the user's manual for your specific vehicle in order to see how to properly open the trunk using the car key fob for your vehicle, okay? Very simple. This is a guideline, for how to use a key fob for like a good portion of vehicles, but every vehicle is different, so look up your specific vehicle as well to just be well knowledged and well versed with regards to how it's going to work. And that's basically it. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you, other than I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And yeah, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else for you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here is specifically the outro for this specific video. And I know I've said that way too many times, so for real, not going to say it again. I promise we're finishing it off. Without further ado, not going to say it again. Officially, I'm done, I promise. Here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.